This is what I call gorilla arms, and you're gonna find out why in a second. So first of all, take a deep breath in. Relax. I want you to have your knees soft, so not super bent, but not locked up either. So it's just soft knees, shoulder width apart, maybe a little wider. And what you do, you're just gonna pretend you're a puppet and you're gonna dangle with one shoulder forward. And then you're gonna lift up nice and tall from your spine. And then you're gonna switch sides, back and forth. And what this does is it's gonna use gravity to pull you down, but then it's gonna lift up, engage your core. You're gonna just kind of dangle your arms and then lift up, engage your core. So I like to think of having a string in my spine going through the top of my head. And as I come up, I'm being lifted up from my navel all the way up through my head and then back and forth. And then what you're gonna find is that your shoulders are gonna loosen up, your core is gonna get engaged. So this is actually a really good start for core workout for people that can't do sit-ups. So it's great for your posture, because when I'm slumped over, it's teaching me my body how to get from a bad posture into a nice upright aligned posture. And I like to do these at least 10 times on each side. And while you're sitting at the computer on every every hour, make sure that you stand up and do some of these, and it will make a world of difference. Thank you.